Winner of today important. When you will start, where is your position?
Yes.
No. I think I need to guide you. Then you will. Yeah. Look here.
Yes.
You can move from this position to that position. This is the only your movement position.
Yes. Yes, please.
You will not start now.
Yes.
Okay. Angle me. Look here. I am. Now you are here. Students are here. Now you are moving at back position. I am also moving. I am talking to this young man. You are moving this position. So this is your back forward movement. Your angle is there. Look, each person is visible. Their parents will see. Their parents will see. I will send them. If anybody want, I will send them. Especially Shahryar parent want to see. Shahryar is performing or not. And winner will see. Many people will see. Not only your parents. There are almost many clients outside, including belonging to different fields. They want to see your performance. So therefore, be active. Be active. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والطور وكتاب مسطور في لوح محفوظ والبيت المعمور وسقف المرسوم والبحر المسجور إن عذاب ربك لواقع ما له من دافع يوم تمور السماء مورا وتسير الجبال سيرا وويل يومئذ للمكذبين الذين هم في خوض يلعبون يوم يدعون إلى نار جهنم دعا هذه النار التي كنتم بها تكذبون أفسحر هذا أم أنتم لا تبصرون أفسحر هذا أم أنتم لا تبصرون إن المتقين في جنة ونعيم إن المتقين في جنة ونعيم إن المتقين في جنة ونعيم فاكهين بما آتاهم ربهم ووقاهم ربهم عذاب الجحيم صدق الله العلي العظيم. Our session starts. So we were talking about liver and the pancreas, which are fill in the blank.
Exocrine gland.
How many glands present in digestive system?
3.
Name the gland present in your salivary in the oral cavity.
Salivary gland.
Salivary gland. How many salivary glands you have?
3.
3. They secrete amylase. Rule number 4. Tell me where the food will be absorbed in your small intestine. In the duodenum. In the duodenum. 1. Villi. Of fill in the blank.
Willy of ileum.
Of ileum. Ileum consists of fill in the blank. Villi increase the surface area. They consist of which blood vessels? Blood capillaries and fill in the blank. Lymphatic vessels. 3. 4. 1. Lymphatic vessels will absorb fill in the blank. Fatty acidic glycerol will be absorbed by lymphatic vessel. Lymphatic vessel will absorb fill in the blank. Fatty acidic glycerol are formed by decomposition of fat. Fat is also called as lipid. Lipid will change into small fat by process. 4. Emulsification. 3A. And what is emulsification? Rule number 2. What is emulsification? The breakage of large molecule into small molecule.
Large lipid molecule into small lipid molecule is called as
Emulsification by help of fill in the blank.
enzyme.
Tube. Bile salts produced by fill in the blank.
Bile juice.
Bile juice.
Gastric gland.
Gastric gland. Bile salts plus bile pigment equal to
Bile juice.
Bile pigments are waste product and bile salts are not the waste product because they will help in fill in the blank process. Emulsification. Spelling of emulsification. Rule number 1. Emulsification. The breakage of the lipid molecule, large lipid molecule into the small molecule is called emulsification. And also the lipase enzyme, rule number 2, will act on fill in the blank. Rule number 2, lipase enzyme will act on 3. Lipase enzyme will act on 3 fat molecule to decompose into fatty acid and the protein will break into
Amino acid.
carbohydrate will break into
Glucose.
the food goes into your oral cavity, which is the carbohydrate. Which carbohydrate goes into your oral cavity? Starch will change into fill in the blank.
Maltose.
Maltose change into fill in the blank.
Glucose.
Maltose change to glucose by enzyme.
Endocrine.
Maltase will change maltose to
Glucose.
You will add the score. Maltase will add the maltose to glucose. In the oral cavity, amylase will change starch to maltose. How many amylase you have?
2 ml.
2 amylase. What is the location of amylase?
Salivary gland.
Salivary gland secrete salivary amylase and another amylase, pancreatic amylase secreted by pancreatic amylase. Also other two enzymes present in the pancreas, lipase and trypsinogen 3A. Trypsinogen activated by roll number 1. Endokinase will activate
Pepsinogen into
trypsin will change protein into
peptone.
peptone 4A. Protein will change protein into peptone. Repeat it. I have no decision here. The trypsin change the protein into the peptone, and 4 chambers of the heart present. We were discussing, and aorta arises from the left ventricle, and left ventricle pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Aorta breaks into arteries changes to arteriole changes to capillary changes to venule changes to vein changes to veins enter. It means that roll number 2, veins combine to form fill in the blank. Veins combine to form 3. Veins combine to form fill in the blank. Vena cava. How many vena cava you have?
2.
Name 2 vena cava. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. 4 open into right atrium. 4A. Roll number 2. Pancreas has 3 enzymes called as roll number 2. Pancreas has 3 enzymes, secrete 3 enzymes. 3 enzymes. Roll number 3. 4, 5. Amylase, lipase, and trypsin. Trypsin digest protein molecule 5A. Roll number 2. Name 3 enzymes present in the pancreas. Roll number 1. Amylase, trypsin, lipase will digest starch, lipase will digest fatty acids, will digest fat into fatty acid cholesterol 4A. Roll number 2. 3. Lipase will digest fat into fatty acid and the cholesterol. Trypsin will digest protein into peptone. Peptone will change into amino acid by
Endocrine.
aminopeptidase. B means S. You will have to support lactose. So aminopeptidase. So you know that aorta is a large tube which is coming from the left ventricle. It is supplying the blood to all parts of the body. Roll number 1. You tell me the antigen present in your blood. Name 2 antigens. Name 2 antigens. Antigen B. 5. Antigen A. Antigen B. Situated at the surface of red blood cell called as erythrocyte is also called as red blood cell has a cell membrane. Cell membrane is also called as plasma membrane. Cell membrane is also called as a plasma membrane. Antigen A, blood group B. A. Ali. Akbar. Antigen A, blood group A. Samit, when the blood group B will be present? Antigen B present, which thing will be absent? Antibody B will be absent in which blood group? Antigen A absent. Antigen A absent. Antibody B present. Blood group. Roll number 2 is with me. Antigen A blood group. Antigen B blood group. Antigen B blood group. Antibody B blood group A. Antibody A blood group B. Antigen AB blood group O. AB. Antigen AB 2A. Antigen. What is the location of antibody in your antibody? What is the location of antibody? Plasma consists of antibody. Samit, antibody A present. Which antigen will be present?
B.
Blood group will be
A.
Blood group O consists of which antigen?
Blood group O consists of no antigen. Blood group O consists of which antibody?
No.
AB antibody. 1A. Blood group O consists of which antibody? AB. Blood group A consists of which antigen?
Yes, sir.
A. Blood group B consists of which antigen?
B, sir.
Antigen is fill in the blank. Antigen is protein. 5A. Name the pigment in the blood. Name the pigment in the blood. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, you know that. I will talk about the hemoglobin. That hemoglobin present in fill in the blank cell.
Red blood cell.
Red blood cell. Red blood cell. Red blood cell actually consists of a pigment called as
Hemoglobin.
hemoglobin. Function of hemoglobin.
Sir, to give color. Sir, produce color.
To produce color. Which color it gives to?
Red color, sir.
I will tell you one thing. Hemoglobin combines with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin, and oxygen will be transported in the form of oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin. Roll number 3.
Hemoglobin will gain oxygen. Hemoglobin reacts with oxygen, then it produce oxygen. Hemoglobin react with oxygen to produce oxyhemoglobin.
Hemoglobin 1. Oxyhemoglobin. The oxygen is transported in the form of oxyhemoglobin. So liver is very important part of the body because it stores the food in the form of glycogen. So glycogen is the stored food in the animal, and fill in the blank is the stored food in the plant. Starch. Peel. Yes. There is a peel now. We had accepted the peel. So it means that veins have the valves. I told you earlier. The veins collect deoxygenated blood. You can see here. The veins collect deoxygenated blood moving towards the heart. There are some alphabets I am writing. OWPTFOH. O is oxygen. C. OC. Oxygen combined with oxygen combined with
Protein.
pigment. 1A. Pigment. What is pigment? Hemoglobin. Spelling of hemoglobin. HAEMOGLOBIN. Hemoglobin. HAEMOGLOBIN. Hemoglobin is a pigment which is found in the red blood cell. Veins will enter into vena cava opens it. Right atrium opens it to right ventricle. The wall present between the right atrium, right ventricle. Tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve present between fill in the blank and fill in the blank.
Right atrium and
Right atrium and right ventricle consists of the valve.
Tricuspid valve.
Tricuspid valve prevent backward flow of fill in the blank.
Blood.
The right ventricle will pump the blood to fill in the blank.
Artery.
What's fill in the blank? Why way? What's fill in the blank?
Lungs.
Towards the lung. Why fill in the blank?
Pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery is unique. Why the pulmonary artery is unique?
All the arteries contain oxygenated blood.
All arteries carry oxygenated blood except fill in the blank.
Except pulmonary.
URS. Pulmonary vein will carry the blood. Pulmonary vein will carry the blood from the lungs to
Heart. Left ventricle.
to the left ventricle. To the left ventricle. You know, not left ventricle, basically the left atrium. But he is naming heart, so we had accepted the answer. So pulmonary vein coming from the lungs, that is moving towards the left atrium. And left atrium moving towards the left ventricle. And left ventricle pushing the blood to all parts of the body. Roll number 2. Roll number 3. Roll number 4.
Blood from the left is coming to the right atrium, then to the left ventricle is pumping blood to the whole body.
Roll number 1.
Right ventricle.
Roll number 2. Roll number 3. Blood coming from the lungs by pulmonary vein, it is going to left ventricle, and from left ventricle the blood is moving towards the left ventricle, left atrium to left ventricle, and left ventricle is pumping the blood to all parts of the body by aorta. 1.
Blood coming from lungs, blood coming from lungs to heart by pulmonary vein. Then
Food is transported by the phloem. Process is called as
Translocation.
translocation. Soil. Translocation. Appeal? There is no appeal. Translocation. Definition of translocation. Rule number 2.
The transfer of food by
By the phloem is called as a translocation. Phloem consists of two cells. Name to cell present in the phloem.
companion cell
Companion cell.
and slave element
And sieve element. Acha, sieve element and the companion cell. Rule number 4. Why the companion cell is a different one? One is.
Because it has a nucleus.
It has a nucleus. The cell without nucleus is called as.
Sieve
It has a pores called as.
element.
Sieve element. What is the action of function of the pores? It will increase. It will increase the pressure. It will increase the pressure. The pressure of the water is called as hydrostatic pressure. 2A. Hydrostatic pressure is the pressure of the water. Vajat, pressure of the water is called as hydrostatic pressure. Vajat.
Pressure of water is called hydrostatic pressure.
Water come from which tube? From
From
the xylem tube. So xylem tube conduct water. Phloem tube transport food. Water from the xylem come to phloem, and in the phloem sucrose is present. Sucrose is disaccharide. We know that sucrose molecules are soluble in water. Starch is insoluble. For photosynthesis, glucose form. Glucose combine to form sucrose. Sucrose combine to form starch. Starch. What is the starch? Starch will be stored food in three in the plant. Stored food in the animal. Glycogen. Glycogen is the stored food in animal. Starch is the stored food in plant. Wait. So I will tell you, food is digested in the small intestine. The food is digested in the small intestine. In the ileum, which is the last part of the small intestine, first part is called duodenum. And you know two glands will open. One is a pancreas, and one is a liver. Pancreas has a duct called pancreatic tube. It will secrete 3 enzymes. Rule number 2. It will secrete 3 enzymes: amylase, pancreatic amylase, which is also called as
Bile juice. Bile salt.
amylase is also called as amylase is also called as Rule number 4. Thiolin, PTYALIN, 4S. Thiolin is also called as amylase. Digested in the plant. Protein. Starch to maltose. Rule number 2. What is the function of amylase in the oral cavity? It will digest. Rule number 3. Rule number 3. Maltose will be formed by decomposition of the large molecule will be broken down. Small molecule will be formed. And which molecule will be broken down? Name the large molecule. Large molecule. Starch molecule. Starch molecule will be broken down into 3. Maltose. By help of enzyme in a medium. Basic medium. The basic medium 3A. Basic medium is provided by rule number 5. Which chemical which is present in the saliva? Sodium bicarbonate. Formula of sodium bicarbonate. NaHCl, sodium hydrogen carbonate. It makes the medium basic in the cavity called as Hamid. 4. Buccal cavity. Medium in the stomach. 3. Acidic. By fill in the blank chemical produced by roll number 3. Roll number 2. HCl produced by roll number 2. Gallbladder. Gastric gland secrete. Gastric gland secrete 5 ways. Gastric gland secrete gastric juice. One by one. All students are participating. That's very good. Motivation level is too much high, but you will speak in your number. Definitely you will get score by this way. Gastric gland secrete gastric juice. We know that. And gastric juice consists of HCl and fill in the blank. Pepsinogen will be activated by HCl. 1A. Rule number 4. You will tell left ventricle pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Name the vessel in which the pressure is very less.
Normally remains.
Capillary, 3A. The capillary is two character of the capillary. Two character of the
Pores,
capillary.
sir, it has pores, sir.
It has pores and
It is a
single
single
cell thick. So food will come out, it will go into the cell, food will come out. Which food will come out, digested or undigested?
Digested.
Digested food will come out. The digested food of the protein is amino acid. Digested food of the fat, glycerol and fatty acid. Digested food of the starch is glucose. One minute. And digested food of the fat is
Fatty acid and
glycerol. Fatty acid, glycerol. Which enzyme digests the lipid?
lipase.
Lipase digests the lipid. So lipase enzyme digests the lipid. I will tell you one more thing. From the villi, we got the finger-like projection. In fill in the blank. In the ilium, finger-like projection called as villi. 4A. Villi, you know that they consist of two blood vessels. Lymphatic capillaries and and blood vessel. Blood vessel absorb digested food. Blood vessels absorb digested food. Yes, sir.
Amino acid and glucose.
Amino glucose. Amino acid glucose. 4A. Amino amino acid and glucose. Samit, amino acid glucose absorbed into which vessel of villi? Blood capillary. What is another vessel? Lymphatic vessel will absorb fill in the blank.
Amino acid and
Will be absorbed by lymphatic vessel. Present it. Because both are. Look here. When food will be absorbed by the villi, it will go into a vein called as hepatic portal vein. Hepatic portal vein, and this food will be transported to liver. This food will be transported to liver by hepatic portal vein. So hepatic portal vein is coming from liver. Villi. Asim. He spoke early. Very good. Hepatic portal vein coming from villi. It is moving to liver. It is moving towards the liver. So today we are just going to find out who had performed better, superior. So that will be encircled by the students. And 6J is the winner of the 9th class today, and remaining students were remaining competitions are pending. It will continue. Thank you.